If you're trying to sign in or verify an account and you still haven't received your verification code in Gmail, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to find it and fix the issue. A missing code is usually caused by a delayed email, a filter, or something as simple as checking the wrong folder. So let's go step by step and get this sorted out. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, open Gmail in your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once you're in your inbox, start by checking the spam folder. A lot of verification emails get sent there by mistake, especially if the sender is an app, website, or service you don't email often. If you don't see it in spam, move on to the junk folder if your account has one, and then check the promotions and updates tabs as well. Gmail sometimes sorts verification messages into these categories automatically, so the code may already be there even if it's not in your main inbox. If you still can't find it, use the Gmail search bar at the top. Try searching for the phrase verification code first. If that doesn't work, search for OTP, since many services label the code as a one-time password. You can also search for the name of the website or app that sent the code. For example, if you're trying to verify a social media account, a banking app, or an online service, type that exact name into Gmail search to narrow down the results faster. This often brings up the message immediately if it was delivered but just hidden in your inbox. Another thing to remember is that some verification codes are delayed, so if you just requested the code, wait a few minutes before trying again. In many cases, the email is on its way, but it hasn't landed in Gmail yet. If you keep requesting codes too quickly, you may end up with multiple messages or make the process slower. Give it a little time, then refresh your Gmail inbox and check again. You should also make sure you entered the correct Gmail address on the website or app sending the code. This is one of the most common reasons people think they aren't receiving the message. If even one letter is wrong, or if you used a different email address by mistake, the verification code will go to the wrong inbox. So double check the email address carefully and confirm it matches the Gmail account you're currently checking. Finally, refresh Gmail manually. Sometimes the message is already there, but your inbox just hasn't updated yet. A quick refresh can pull in the latest emails and make the verification code appear right away. If needed, check your inbox on both mobile and desktop because sometimes one device updates faster than the other. So, to quickly recap, check spam, junk, promotions, and updates, search Gmail with verification code OTP or the app name, wait a few minutes, confirm the correct Gmail address was used, and refresh your inbox. These simple steps solve the issue in most cases. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.